Morning, children. Now, today I am going to explain the second chapter of Gujarat State Board SST. What is around us? The chapter name is What is Around Us. It is a geography chapter. Now, in the first stanza, Dhanvin was roaming in the garden with his mother. While walking, a question arose in his mind. Dhanvin asked his mother, "What is land made up of?" Mother replied, "Do you see the sun every day?" The sun too has a family which is known as the solar family. Our earth is one of the members of the solar family. The most important point is that only the earth among all the members of the solar family has got the suitable temperature, water, and air to sustain living being. So here, when Danwin was roaming with his mother, then already children have a lot of queries. So he asked to his mother, "What is land made up of?" कि ये धरती किससे मिलके बनी हुई है, किस चीज़ से बनी हुई है। तो मदर ने बोला, "डू यू सी द सन एवरी डे?" क्या तुम सन को डेली देखते हो? तो द सन टू हैज़ ए फैमिली विच इज़ नोन एज द सोलर फैमिली, कि सन जो है उनके कुछ जो और उसके चारों तरफ कुछ और प्लैनेट्स घूमते रहते हैं। इस तरह से सन और सारे प्लैनेट्स मिलके एक फैमिली बनाती है, कंस्ट्रक्ट करती है, और उसी में से आवर अर्थ इज़ वन ऑफ द मेंबर ऑफ द सोलर फैमिली, और इसी फैमिली में हमारा अर्थ भी आता है। द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज़ दैट ओनली द अर्थ अमंग ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द सोलर फैमिली हैज़ गॉट द सुटेबल टेम्परेचर, वाटर, एयर टू सस्टेन लिविंग बीइंग, कि इतने सारे प्लैनेट्स में से बस हमारे अर्थ को ही अर्थ में ही हमें टेम्परेचर, वाटर, एयर सब कुछ मिलता है। बाकी प्लैनेट्स में अभी तक कुछ पता नहीं चला कि वाटर था या नहीं, टेम्परेचर कैसा है, एयर इज़ अवेलेबल और नॉट, लाइक दैट। ओनली इन द अर्थ वी आर गेटिंग टेम्परेचर, वाटर, एयर टू सस्टेन लिविंग बींग्स. Now next stanza, it is telling, generally it is believed that part of sun which has been detached from the sun after the collision is earth. It is assuming that clear, though we cannot say how these planets are created in this world, in this not world, in this galaxy. We can say it is suppose कि sun, sometimes from the sun some parts are coming out after detached from the sun, and after cooling down these parts are some cools down, and in million years after, and these planets are created. So here telling sun which has been detached from the sun after the collision, maybe something collided with the sun and some part come out from the sun, and in this way earth is created. At the time of its origin it was in the form of a fireball. Means sun is telling it is a one kind of gaseous ball, fireball, we can say fire, like that fire is coming out. So whatever the part is detached from the sun, it is telling कि those parts are also very hot at that time, and it took time to cool down. million years took to cool down, बहुत टाइम लिया उसको ठंडा होने में. This fireball started to cool down slowly. Many elements of the earth got transformed into liquid and further into solid form. Here telling कि in the earth a lot of minerals, a lot of sand, soil, plateau, a lot of things, that when it was burning and after cooling down, some part of those elements cooled down properly and settled down, took the shape of landform. then some part never converted into a landform in a solid surface. So it took the liquid form. So in this way, at hydrosphere, lithosphere was created. During this process, the element which got transformed into solid are known as lithosphere. Means telling fireball means everything was at that time liquid form. When it started cooling down, according to the minerals material, we can say some part become convert as a solid, and it is called lithosphere. Then some part, the element which got transferred into liquid are known as hydrosphere. Then some parts are converted be as a liquid form, as a water form only. So in this way, in this world, hydrosphere were created in the earth. The element which transform into gases came to be known as atmosphere. Then some elements which not converted as a land solid, not into liquid, they were just like air gas form. So that is in this way a lot of gases existed in this atmosphere, and in this way atmosphere was created. Above all, the living world which developed due to land, water, and air came to be known as biosphere. Then, in this surface, afterward, life started, and and all the lives are dependent on these three sphere, that is land, water, and atmosphere. Land, people wanted to live, animals wanted to live. Then the water, all the creatures need water to survive, and all these creature, animals, human beings, everything's they wanted to inhale or exhale so many gases according to their structure. Some are taking oxygen, inhaling, some are carbon dioxide, or in this way these all creature of the world dependent on these elements. Whatever these in four things: hydrosphere, biosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere, that one is creating, including these, we are calling these three sphere as a biosphere. In this way, the four spheres came into existence on the earth. So you can see here the diagram map: lithosphere landform given like that, hydrosphere fish, duck, ships are there, atmosphere aeroplane is flying, but birds are flying. So these all three spheres are called, come under biosphere. So here I am ending my today's explanation, and the next topic is lithosphere, which I will send in my next video. I will tell you about lithosphere, hydrosphere, then what is there, atmosphere, and in this way, and biosphere. So first in my next video I will send you about the lithosphere and hydrosphere explanation. Till that, bye. Please subscribe me if you like my explanation.